become future stars. Chapter 7. Air and Water. Air and water are important for all living things. A blanket of air surrounds us, but we cannot see it. This blanket of air is also called the atmosphere. We can only feel air when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Slow moving air is called a breeze. We enjoy the breeze at the beachside. Fast moving air is called storm. Electric poles and kucha houses fall when there is a storm. Composition of air. Air is not a single element. It is a mixture of gases. The main gases present in the air are oxygen, 20.95%, nitrogen, 78%, and carbon dioxide, 0.03%. Air also contains dust particles. We can see these dust particles in a strong beam of light in a dark room. Air also has water vapor and some noble gases. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe in air, absorb and utilize oxygen, and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. This maintains the balance of both gases in the atmosphere. Properties of air. Air is a mixture of gases. Therefore, it shows all the properties of a gas. The three main properties of air are: air occupies space. Air has weight. Air has no color, taste, or smell. Brainy bites. As we go higher, air gets thinner. At very high mountains, air is scanty. Uses of air. Air helps in burning. Air helps in burning. Fire needs the oxygen to burn. If we place a burning candle under a glass jar, we will see that the flame of the candle fades and goes off after some time. Wind helps to move various things. Sailboats move with the help of wind. These boats have a mast to hold the sails. When the wind blows on the sails, the boat moves. Flying kites move higher and higher with the force of the wind. Balloons also move with the wind. Wind also turns a windmill into action. Wind also helps our clothes to dry faster. Water. Water is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless liquid. It has no smell. It is important for all living beings. We use water for different activities like cooking, plantation, washing, bathing, cleaning, etc. Plants also need water to grow. Water exists in three forms: solid, ice; liquid, water; gas, vapor. Water and water vapor. In summers, we put water into ice trays and store the ice trays in freezer. When we remove the ice tray, we find that the water has transformed into hard ice. Water changes into ice on cooling. This process is called freezing. We take out a few ice cubes and sometimes forget to put the ice tray back into the freezer. The ice cubes lie outside in the warm air and change back into water. Ice changes into water on heating. This process is called melting. In winters, we switch on the geyser to get hot water. The geyser heats the water. We take out hot water from the tap and fill our bucket. We notice a gas coming out of the hot water. This is steam or water vapor. Water changes into water vapor on heating. This process is called evaporation. If we look at the bathroom mirror, we will see drops of water on it. This happens because the bathroom mirror is cold. When the steam touches the cold mirror, it turns into water. Steam or water vapor changes into water on cooling. This process is called condensation. Ice, water, and water vapor are the three states of water. Ice is hard and has a fixed shape. It is a solid. Water can flow. It is a liquid. Water vapor can flow and mix with air. It is a gas. Properties of water. Water, as liquid, flows. It has no shape of its own. It takes the shape of the container it fills. When heated, it disappears and changes into steam. Pure water has no color, no smell, and no taste. Water is a very good solvent. Solids like sugar, common salt, copper sulfate, potassium permanganate, and glucose powder, etc. dissolve in water. These are called soluble substances. Many substances such as nails, wood, sand, clay, wax, oil, etc. do not dissolve in water. These substances are called insoluble substances. When a solid dissolves in a liquid, it forms a solution. The substances that dissolve in a liquid is known as solute, and the liquid in which the solute dissolves is called a solvent. Water cycle. In nature, water keeps changing its form. This change causes the forms clouds and rain. When the sun shines, water from the rivers, ponds, lakes, and oceans heats up and water rises into the air in the form of water vapor. High up in the sky, this water vapor comes into contact with cold air. It cools down to form tiny drops of water. These tiny drops cling together to form clouds. On cooling further, these tiny drops become heavy and fall as rain. The rainwater flows back into rivers, ponds, lakes, and oceans. This cycle of change is called the water cycle. Rapid review. Slow-moving air is called breeze. All living things need air to breathe. Air occupies space. Water is a colorless and tasteless liquid. Water is a very good solvent. The tiny drops cling together to form clouds. Like, share, and subscribe.